G.SKILL International Enterprise Co., Limited, the world's leading manufacturer of extreme performance memory and gaming peripherals, is excited to announce the release of new Trident Z RGB and TZRX series specifications launching in conjunction with the release of the AMD Ryzen 2000 series processors and the X470 platform. Kit specifications starting from DDR4-3200MHz CL16-18-18-38 16GB, 2x8GB, to DDR4-3600MHz 18-22-22-42 16GB, 2x8GB. These new specifications push the boundaries of AMD system performance to the next level. Armed with the latest IMC on the new second-generation AMD Ryzen processors, G.SKILL aims to bring users ultra-fast high-performance memory kits to help increase overall system performance with the new X470 systems. Trident Z RGB, with model numbers ending with TZRX, and TZRX memory series now introduce several new AMD X470-specific memory specifications. Please see below for a complete list of the new specifications. Stress testing. Tested on the latest ASUS ROG Crosshair 7 Hero motherboard with the AMD Ryzen 2700 processor, the screenshot below shows Trident Z RGB for AMD running at DDR4-3600MHz 18-22-22-42 16GB, 2x8GB. Availability. These new specifications will be available via G.SKILL worldwide distribution partners in late April 2018.